By offering this to municipalities, it allows them the chance to require more efficiency and help them to meet their own climate goals. And the other thing that is amazing about a stretch code is that it can actually help move the entire market forward. And I think that the example in Massachusetts is great for that because, as you mentioned, the ERI or the HERS score that Massachusetts initially used for its stretch code eventually got put into the national model code. And I think that is a really exciting benefit to stretch codes. Maybe not something that municipalities necessarily care about, but overall, it's a really nice way to test some things out in the market and to ensure that efficiency is doable, which we all know that it is, but I think it can take the industry a little bit of maybe examples, like concrete examples that it's happening in communities around them before they really buy into it. Not having to be the first community that's adopted it. And then you see it kind of snowball into other communities understanding, yeah, this is beneficial. Look, we can do this. And then the other thing is, I really think that stretch codes offer a chance for the building community to advance their knowledge and put out a better product as well. Because if everyone around you is building to the lowest common denominator, it can be, hard to make the case for why you should also invest in maybe some other kind of building techniques if that's what's needed. And this kind of offers that as an option, and not an option for those communities that have adopted it. It's actually a requirement now, but it gives them, in for lack of a better word, an excuse to then try to build to those standards. And for whatever it's worth, the Illinois stretch code is really not super strong right now. It's going to be getting stronger in its next iterations, and I think that's the other great reason why a municipality should consider adopting a stretch code is because it actually shows the path forward for builders and developers and communities. Whereas the model code, we don't really know where they're going to go. We don't know if they're going to do a big jump. We don't know if they're even going to roll things back. But a stretch code, especially the one in Illinois, is going to show specific targets on how it's going to move forward. And then the industry can use that as a way to prepare. That's also good for code officials, which I know code officials have a lot of concerns about changes all of the time. The way the Illinois stretch code is designed is that the changes will be incremental and they will look very similar in every update.